I did exactly what the experts told me, and it nearly ruined everything. Earn more, spend less, invest smart. I followed it all. The numbers grew, but the fear didn't leave. Because no one tells you, money issues aren't about money. They're about how you relate to it. And my relationship was toxic. I chased success to escape fear, not to build freedom. Even when I had enough, I felt broke. And that's not about strategy. That's emotional wiring. The wealthy, they don't just earn better. They think differently. They've unpacked the guilt, dropped the fear. They trust their decisions because they trust themselves. Wealth therapy is the reset. It's how high performers rewire their money story, so they stop sabotaging and start building from clarity. Wealth isn't a number, it's a relationship. Fix that, and the money follows. If you want to grow financially, make sure you follow me. Your future self will thank you.